Hi, this is Chuck with ABR Industries. Today I wanted to focus on the UHF connectors. We have two different types. The first that you see here is the traditional soldered center pin soldered body. It's available in the 58, 8X, and 400 sizes. And then the other type we're showing today is our crimp type, which is small as 100 size going up to the 600 size material. Has a soldered center pin and then a crimp on the ferrule. Both products are electrically the same, handling up to 500 megahertz. They both come with a 5/8 24 thread on the barrels and can be mated to a standard SO239. I'll also show on the website how to find these products in our cable builder at ABR Industries. To show you how to pick the UHF connectors that you desire, I'm going to show you a quick example here under the builder. So for this case, I've picked the 213 size, which is equivalent to the 400 size. And for the first connector, I show here the solder crimp type, and then it'll show you the picture of that item. Also, if you want the soldered version instead, you can simply just click on that option and it will show you. From all the different cable types, it will also show you all the connectors that are available from us. Thank you, and we look forward to talking to you soon. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at info@abrind.com or call us at 713-492-2722.